Welcome to our channel. If you want to install Mega Streaming Access using a free downloader code, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Turn on your Fire Stick and search for the downloader app using the search function. Install it. Step 2. Launch Downloader and click the URL input field on the main screen. Step 3. Enter the free downloader code for Mega Streaming Access and press Go to begin downloading. Step 4. Allow the APK file to download completely. Watch the progress indicator on screen. Step 5. When download completes, an installation window will appear. Click Install to proceed. Step 6. Wait for installation to finish, then click Done. Delete the APK file if you want. Step 7. Go back to your Fire Stick home screen and find Mega Streaming Access in your applications. Step 8. Open the app and enjoy Mega Streaming Access to vast libraries of movies, shows, live TV, sports, and more. Explore different categories and stream content in various qualities. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.